Today, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you 4 examples of me bypassing CAPTCHA build surveys. Now, let me go ahead and just show you an example. Control-Shift-I. Now, what you want to do is open up Inspect Element, go to Sources, and look for one that has public, internal, v2, click on this, and then just scroll down, and you'll see this URL. It's underneath Google, and this right here is your true redirect URL for the survey that is going to be completed after it's done. So, I already did this is an example. That was the real link right there. And for this one as well, over here, same thing. We want to find public, internal, v2, click, and we got to find the true URL, which is this one over here as well. As you can see right here, this is the true URL. And I'm going to show you that right now. So yeah, give me 1 second here. That's the real URL for that one. This survey over here as well. Sources, internal, v2. And as you can see, it loads up a URL as well. There's no URL on this one at all. 0. So yeah, but this one has Google and it redirects to redirect. So I don't know how exactly you'd redirect to redirect. So yeah, that's a little bit strange, but that's besides the point. Let's go and refresh this page. And I'll try to go and show you it working again. Okay, there we go. Fully loaded up, v2. And let me go and show you, this is the true redirect URL over here. All right, as you can see, copy this, lead to, I'll wait for this to be done. And the code, it just redirects is to download code. Very strange. But yeah, I hope this helped you out. Take care. Peace. And yeah, don't waste your time with scam surveys.